Welcome you all my fellow Flutter developers. What we've just seen there is just a small demo of what we're about to create. Okay, so on the screen here we are looking at just the course image, because of course we are going to incorporate Gemini and then Flutter Hive in our application. Okay, so in this course we'll dive deep into building a Flutter app that utilizes Google Gemini AI powered conversation. All right, we are going to learn one, integrate Gemini. We'll walk through setting up Gemini in your Flutter project, and then we're going to use Google's generative AI package from pub.dev. And then after that, we're going to persist conversation. We're going to be saving conversation locally so that you can view your chat history and then you can get back to your history. All of this is going to be achieved with a Hive. Okay, this is a nice package to use to store data locally on your device. Okay, and then also after that, as we are going to add the ability to change theme from light to dark mode, and then we're going to fully utilize Google Gemini. We are going to use the text model and the vision model. So this side here, you can see that we are getting these images. We are going to ask about the images. Gemini is going to be answering us about the images. We'll also see how we are going to be getting the API from Google, the one that we are going to use for API calls from Gemini. Okay, so this is just a nice tutorial, and then you see how you can create your own chatbot in your with Flutter, and then you can store the data locally. You can have a history, and then also later on, as a bonus, we can also add the voice function when you speak to the AI, when you ask it something, and then it can answer you with a voice. All right, so I hope you enjoy this course, guys. After this, we're just gonna get started, and then also feel free to ask any questions. There is a Q&A section, and then I'm going to be replying as soon as I can. Thank you guys for viewing this course, and then let's not waste time. Let's just get started in the next video.